Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, Unbox and Chill. We do have another unboxing. Just got an unboxing today. We did receive, shout out to Watch Gang, they sent out our original tier subscription watch for the month of November 2019. We'll go ahead and move this out of the way. Okay. So we did receive our subscription. Just to remind you guys real quick, Watch Gang is a subscription box service. They do send out watches to you every month. One for $29.99, one for there's a tier for $29.99, there's a $99 tier, and there's a $2.99 tier. Obviously, the higher you go, the nicer of a watch that you get. The one that we're going to look at today was $29.99, so it was a $30 tier. So it is the cheapest tier. You're just kind of getting your foot in the door. And so we'll see what they sent me out this month. It is November of 2019, so this is what they sent out. Real quick, I'm going to put a link in the description box so you guys can check out the CCCP. This was a middle tier watch, a black tier subscription for $99.99. I did receive this for November 2019. This video is already on the channel of this watch. I'll leave the link in the description. Please check this out. This is actually probably the best watch that I've gotten from Watch Gang under the black tier to date. So it does beat my previous favorite watch. So we'll go ahead and move that out of the way. Getting down to business here. I was actually pleasantly surprised with the watch that I got this month. I'm going to open my mailbox. I'm coming off vacation. I actually had a black tier waiting for me and an original tier. I opened it up and I smiled pretty big when I got it. It's a watch that I actually already have had before, and I'll show you guys in a second. We'll unbox it. We'll pull up the website. This is what they sent me. So I've got the box here. Nice bright yellow. We'll open this up here. We'll just slide out the manual. So we've got Invicta, the Invicta Owner's Manual. Many people are familiar with Invicta. This is just the owner's manual here. I'll stop teasing. We'll get right down to it. They sent me a Pro Diver, guys. The Invicta Pro Diver. I was very surprised, and I will say I was pleasantly surprised to get an Invicta Pro Diver because I've actually had one before, and it's actually a pretty good watch. I think Invicta gets kind of sometimes they get a little dumped on as a brand. They do have maybe some watches that might not be everyone's taste in terms of their style, maybe some comic book character type watches and kind of colorful watches and different themes and things like that. Different licenses from intellectual properties, comic book superheroes, stuff like that. But this particular watch, which obviously is an homage, to like a Submariner. But this particular watch is extremely good value for money, guys. The one that I had before, I think I bought for $80. I got it on Amazon. It's one of the first, not the first, one of the first automatic watches that I bought. And I must say, it's an extremely good value for money. I since traded it away. Somebody else got to have it for relatively cheap, and it became one of their first automatics. But this is a very good watch to get for one of your first watches, an early watch. This is a very solid piece. So we'll take a look at it here. We'll take this off. So let's go in for some detail shots here. So again, this is it. Obviously, it's like a Submariner homage. This is the Invicta Pro Diver. Okay. So obviously it's a dive watch. It does have a screw down crown. It does have a display case back. As you can see there, that nice display case back. You've got Invicta back here on the clasp, and it does just have a basic clasp. But again, when you're considering this price point, guys, this is an insane price point. I got this sent out to me for $29.99, so this is a lot of watch for $30. Bravo to Watch Gang for bringing this kind of value, because this is a great watch for someone to start out with for $29.99. And again, they're selling for $80 on Amazon. So, but as you can see, it has a nice smooth sweep, nice Japanese Seiko NH35 movement we all know and love. Nice workhorse movement. It's in a lot of micro brands. Invicta's not a micro brand, but it's in a lot of micro brands. You've got got Invicta on the side here. you know, and it really is just a very tastefully done, just a very normal piece you can put on and wear with almost anything. If you put this on with dress clothes, you're fine. If you put this on with, you know, shorts, t-shirt, jeans, you're fine. I mean, it really is just a very versatile watch, and I really enjoyed having it. We're going to take a look at the website here, and we'll take a look at the specs and everything. Let me go to, first of all, I'll show you guys just real quick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show you a picture of myself with this watch. So here it is here. So this is my Instagram. If you want to follow me, that's fine. I don't care. But this is the watch here that I had, the Invicta Pro Diver. And actually, I really liked it when I had it. Like I said, it wasn't a bad watch. I think Invicta gets a lot of undue hate. But that's me. I already owned the same watch. So it was very interesting to get this same one. I didn't get it from Watch Gang. I bought it myself. But it was very interesting to get the same one. It just made me smile because I said, you know, I remember how great of a watch this was. I may not hold on to it just because I already had one and I've moved on and I have other pieces. But, you know, other pieces that are, you know, a little bit better than this one. But again, to start out with this watch is a great watch to start out with. I actually, in my watch box, I actually have a Submariner, a black Submariner. So, it, you know, just, it wouldn't really make sense for me to hold on to this one. But I will say that if I didn't have that Submariner, I would definitely hold on to this piece. This is a very nice, this is a gorgeous piece, in my opinion, for someone who's starting out with watches. But let's check out once again, as I'm starting to ramble here, let's check out once again the specs. Let's go to the website. So let's see here. So here's what we got here. This is it on Amazon. This is the watch, as you can see here. We'll bring it in. Got a nice Pro Diver. Selling for $80 on Amazon Prime. You bought it for $30 from Watch Gang. I mean, you're not losing here. So we'll scroll down. You've got a 40 millimeters case diameter, okay, 20 millimeter band, okay. We'll keep on scrolling. Let me get down to the specs. Let me see here. Let me see if I can speed this up. Here we go. All right. So we got Invicta. Let's see here. Yeah, you can see all the sizes. That's the thickness. 20 millimeter band, like we said. As you can see here, we've got a Japanese automatic movement, which again, we know that's the Seiko NH35, nice workhorse movement. Water depth resistance, 660 feet. But overall, like I said, not a bad watch, and a watch that is currently selling on Amazon right now for $81 on Prime. You can get this, right, you know, I ended up having it shipped out to me from Watch Gang for $29.99. So not a bad deal at all, guys. Not a bad deal at all. So we'll close that. We'll put that to the side. All in all, guys, this is a very nice piece. Very nice starter piece. Very nice piece. Just even if you're not a starter, just a very nice everyday piece. It's a nice, nice diver you can throw on every day and just wear, and not really care about it getting beat up too much. I appreciate you guys checking out the unboxing video. I really do. If you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button, I've been saying, and we're still gonna stick to, once we get to 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna start doing some giveaways here, giving the watches away. I like that bright yellow box. I like that color. But if you guys could just go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, reach out to me, let me know what you guys think. Or if there's something you want to see me unbox, let me know as well. Even if it's, anything, another subscription service, another watch, just let me know what you guys want to see. I appreciate you guys reaching out. Unbox and Chill, thank you so much for watching.